After I award him with Men of the Year, I'll take him back home. So I haven't found him yet. But I think the GQ Men of the Year awards are really amazing because I mean they're my favorite awards, absolutely. And to be a part of them and actually be receiving as a woman, now for me, I've had a few GQ awards and it's always special. So many things in life which are taken by us. You can't be negative about everything. I don't believe in that. Sometimes people get the right award, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you know somebody, sometimes you don't. But I think when you do get an award for a film or for something that you've worked really hard on, चाहे वो सही हो या गलत, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I think that's what you should. To me, a man should wear his sexuality or his success or his sexiness. A man should wear his sexiness like a t-shirt, not a tuxedo.
I think Ranveer Singh. Why not Salman? Oh, why not him? Yeah. But I thought I'm supposed to say anything I like. Ranveer Singh. I don't know. There's something so fresh about him. So refreshing. So I like him, and he's very different. Something new that you get to see, right? Everyone's so uptight. Everyone's so predictable, and here's a guy who just absolutely go by his impulse, an outsider, like a complete outsider. So this year I think I'd love to give it to Ranveer Singh. Well, GQ stands for something different, and if we have like 10 GQ awards, that won't be fair, right? One GQ award which is classy, which is prestigious, and it's encouraging, successful men, it's nice. But if we have 10 GQ awards, and I'll have to go for all 10 GQ awards and collect Woman of the Year trophy for 10 awards, then it will be too much.
I don't know who deserves it actually. I think it's a man who probably embodies style, fashion, and at the same time is not really pretentious. So whoever wins, I'm sure is going to be someone like that. Depending on what they are for exactly, because there are a lot of rubbish awards also in our country. I mean, we give an award for everything. मतलब कभी-कभी कुछ अच्छा आंसर दे दिया उसके लिए भी award मिल सकता है. So I don't think particularly awards have that bigger significance if they don't have a great title. I think the GQ Man of the Year has been going on for a lot of time, so it makes sense to have it.
I think Deepika is very stylish. I really like it. I think it's just the poise she has, and I think she's very talented. Talent also makes you very stylish. It's the Rock and Roll GQ Awards, so some nudity, some intoxication, cameras will be turned off, abuses will be hurled, and people will be thrown out, and I hope not to be one of them. So,
ABCD 2 के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकता हूँ क्योंकि अभी भी काम चल रही है. फिलहाल बदलापुर Feb 20th को रिलीज़ होने वाली है. That has Nawaz and me, and I'm gearing up for that. Don't start. Tattoo है अंदर है, but I've been told by Remo कि अभी दिखाना मत क्योंकि सब जगह उसी का चर्चा होगा.
Man of the Year, I should wear lots. This year, I think Farhan. Because I think he was amazing in Padmika, and he's quite an all-rounder in terms of performance. I think Rajkumar as well, because he's unique and he's really different, and he's such a fantastic performer. I think the GQ man, apart from being like impeccable and beautifully dressed and being insanely talented, also has to be a little crazy and quirky. I think that's what completes it. Well, I come every year for the GQ Men of the Year awards, and they're always very entertaining, lots of fun, very glamorous, and lots of very good-looking men coming on stage, so I'm expecting just that.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.